Hey you guys, okay, I am back doing some style videos, filming the Destiny's Child in the background. But anyways, I am here to show you this new pants in this new color. This is our Miki Pant, and she is in brick. This color is amazing. At first you're going to be like, what am I going to match this color with? But I think it's just such a beautiful, rich color that you can do with so much, right? So right now I'm wearing it monochromatic with a matching top. So this is Miki in brick and then Rhea in brick. And it's super cute, right? We love our romper look and I love monochromatic. So this is a really great way to kind of wear a Miki. And she's the one that has your high waist, right? So you could leave high, fold it over. She's got some great front darts, so that gives some shape. And then she's got some nice side pockets. But it's a really great, comfortable pant. I'm going to come back and show you how to mix this with the other color in this new collection. So exciting. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have my second top on. This is Nicole in our antique white. She has a high-low, and then she's got some great little side slips. And so what the side slips kind of do is that either you can do a great little half tuck and tuck just this whole front into your pant, which is really nice. You could do a really like high half tuck, and you still have like the coverage in the back. Or you could use your little side tie action, right? So you can tie it. You could do definitely a super cute asymmetrical look like this, or you could tie both. And when you tie both, it kind of just becomes like a tuck, but an easy tuck that you don't really have to worry about when you go to the bathroom or whatever. So I tuck the whole kind of thing in, and then it's like super cute. This color combo is so good because you could throw over a black jacket, a navy jacket, a denim jacket. I mean, really anything you wanted to. Super cute. I'm just loving it. But I'm going to come back and show you the third color in this collection and how wonderful it goes with our brick Miki. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got my third color and a new style. This is our dark charcoal. And this is in one of our new styles, Sawyer. So she's kind of a play on one of our really top-selling tops, which is called the Mandy 3/4 sleeve, and it's got like a longer sleeve. We did have a Mandy tee if you were with us before, but this is Sawyer. This is new. She's got a little more of a fitted body similar to the Mandy 3/4 sleeve, and she's got a great little cap sleeve that for people who have like more especially endowed bosom area, I like to kind of shape my sleeves away. So this is a great top to match with Miki. I think it's just like really cute. You could do the side stitch, you could do the half tuck. So cute, right? And then if you're gonna go to work and you want to like dress this whole look up, you can throw on your blazer, your Diana blazer. And I love to cuff Diana. I think it just makes it a little younger and it kind of pulls the whole look together. So cute, right? Look at Miki. Miki can go work, play, work from home. I mean, this is my cruise pant. This is my everything pant. So I am in love with her, and I hope you love her too. Try out the Miki in brick with a variety of different kind of colored tops. You're gonna love her, I promise. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.